Hi friends, I'm Natasha. Thank you so much for watching me live. Today I'm going to show you how to use our new Color Lock and Protect spray. If you haven't heard of this and you color your hair or you highlight your hair, I want to tell you this is something you need, especially as we head into summer, especially since our salons and stylists, at least in California, aren't allowed to open. You really want to make sure you are protecting your hair color so that, number one, you are getting the most out of the money you spend coloring your hair. We all know it's not cheap. And number two, you just take good care of your hair. And if you color your hair, go ahead and type me in the comments. And I don't know about you, but I color my hair every few months, usually before the pandemic, right? I would color my hair every like 3 to 4 months, take care of all of these roots. But even before I started coloring my hair, my natural hair color tended to fade and just change color in the summer. Has that been you? Have you ever felt like even your natural hair color sometimes changed? I know for me, since I've been coloring my hair, I've used hair products that are color safe, that aren't supposed to like strip my hair of that expensive color that I pay for. But regardless of that, our hair is still affected by the sun, by UV rays, by all kinds of environmental factors. And UV rays, even when you think there might not be any, like when you're sitting in the shade. And so I've asked since I became part of this hair care company, like if you guys are making hair products that have protection from the sun, when is there just going to be like a sunscreen for our hair? Like when is someone going to create that? When is that going to come out? Because using color safe products isn't enough, right? Because even if our products are safe for our hair color, the sun still is out there. It still exists. So when are we going to find something for that? So this Color Lock and Protect spray that we just came out with is that. It provides sun protection for your hair, and it's super, super easy to use. So before I show you how to use it, I did want to talk a little bit about the results that people found. If you don't know, all of our products, I work with an anti-aging hair and skincare company, and all of our products go through clinical trials to find out what the real results are and to make sure that they are safe. And so the results from the trials from this product showed that after 20 washes, hair treated with the Color Lock and Protect spray showed protection of hair color 45% higher compared to when hair was left untreated. So just using color safe products. People agreed that their hair looked more vibrant. Hey Celeste. People agreed that their hair was shinier and also looked more brilliant, so it looked healthy. That's awesome. And people also said that their hair color lasted longer. So even anecdotally, people felt like their hair color lasted longer in addition to the actual measured result, right? So that's awesome. So this is what this looks like. It's a spray bottle. It comes out in a really nice mist spray, and it can be applied to wet or dry hair. So you want to use this on your wash day. If you're washing your hair, you want to use it as preparation, as like a treatment. So it'd be the first product you would apply to your hair when you're starting to style. If you are one of my VIP customers, love you so much. If you use Rejuva beads, you want to use this after you use your Rejuva beads. If you don't know what that is, get at me. I can give you the lowdown. It's another must that you need to help protect your ends. So this is also something that you should definitely use on dry hair before you step out into the sun. So before you go to the pool, before you go to the beach, if you're going to go for a long run on a hot day with that sun beating down on you, you want to use this spray. I actually sprayed some in my hair before I walked the dog today. I knew I was going to be out there for an hour, so I just sprayed it on my hair. And for curly hair, I just did this. I just lifted my hair. I tried to make sure I got it all over. It did give me a little bit of hydration, and that's what I did. Then I kind of just scrunched it through. I'm working with like 4-day hair, so it's looking a little bit wild. Please excuse it, but then I just scrunched it through. That's all I needed to do. It smells good, but doesn't have an obnoxious smell. It's really light, it's not sticky, and it doesn't leave like a residue on my hair. It's like so light that I put it on twice, right? I put it on earlier, I put it on right now. I can't even tell that it's in there. So it provides, unlike sunscreen you put on your face, this contains a little bit of different sun protectants. So it contains this thing called borealine, which is a mix of glycerin and Pichia mariana bark extract. Sorry if I'm looking down, it's because I'm reading. I can't memorize everything, you guys. But basically, this is a performance blend that provides UV absorbing properties. So when it's on your hair, it helps to seal the cuticle, preventing shampoos from like washing out your color, but it also scavenges UV generated free radicals. So that helps to protect your hair from those damaging effects of the sun and sun exposure and those aggressors in your environment that release free radicals. So it's kind of twofold, right? Our products are color safe, which means our products in general are color safe, which means they prevent shampoos from washing it out. But this is going to give you a little bit extra boost of keeping your cuticle closed to prevent shampoos, if you're not using ours, to wash out your color. And then it also adds UV protection to your hair, similar to the protection different sunscreens you use on your skin. Really cool, really innovative, super easy to use, feels good, smells good. And you guys, I think it's a must regardless. Unless you have like super blonde hair, your hair color will probably fade in the summer, even if it's your natural color. So if you want to get your hands on this, you can get at me. I would love to help you figure out what products would work well for your hair if you want to try a whole, complete anti-aging hair care system and really take care of your hair from the inside out. Send me a message. I would love to help you. I definitely would get this if I was you, and if you're a brand new customer, if you buy a set of hair care, which means a shampoo, a conditioner, and a treatment, you'll get a free product on top of that as a thank you for being a new customer, and a lot of other amazing VIP program benefits. We have this really cool customer program called our VIP program. So if you want details on any of that, if you want to get your hands on this Color Lock and Protect spray, send me a message. I can't wait to hear from you. I'm gonna go, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye.